So here is your next question. Clear? The next question says, identify the symmetrical figure as the line of symmetry. Okay. So children, symmetrical figure is generally when a particular figure can be divided into two equal halves. So irrespective of whatever shape it is, it can be divided into two equal halves. Say for example, if I draw a square and I divide this thing, this is called as line of symmetry. I am able to divide this part and this part as equal. Okay. Similarly, if I take a triangle, okay, and I divide it equally, so this part is and this part are equal. So this is called as symmetrical figure. Okay. So now in the given option, you need to tell that which among them is a line of symmetry. Clear? So here are your options. Option A, okay. Option B, option C, and option D, okay. So you have to find out which is the line of symmetry, which means that which among these figure, if divided, makes it into two equal half. So is it possible, children, that this and this are equal? Is the figure A equal to figure B? No, it is not equal. A is greater than B, right? So which means this is not the case of symmetry. Coming to the second one. So now if I divide this A and B, is it equal? No. Here also it is not equal. Why? Because A has got a greater portion when compared to B. So again, this is not symmetry. Clear? Coming to the third one, A, B. It's clearly visible that B is greater than A. It's not a equal division. So this is also not the line of symmetry. Clear? Coming to the last one, if I divide this one, is it same? Is A equal to B? Yes. So if I divide the stars in two parts, the portion A will be equal to portion B. So option D is the line of symmetry, and this is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Here is your next question. The next question says, which among the following is not symmetrical? So in the earlier question, we had to identify which of them was symmetrical. Okay. And in this question, you will identify which of them is not symmetrical. Okay. The options given here are okay. Option B. Option C. And option D. Fine. So do you think the first one is symmetrical? Yes, because it equally divides the part A with part B, right? Do you think the second one is symmetrical? Now, if I mark this as A and this as B, is it symmetrical? No, because part B is greater than part A. So, option B is not symmetrical. Let us check the other options as well. Option C. Yes, it is symmetrical because A is equal to B, right? D. Yes, this is also symmetrical. So, which means option B in this diagram is not a symmetrical one. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? So, here is your next question. The question says, some parts of the given figure are named. Okay? And this is your figure. M, N, P. Okay? Now, the question is, what is the name of the triangle in the given figure? Your options are option A, M, option B, O, option C, N, and option D, P. So now you have to identify which figure in the triangle is named. So it's very simple, right? So where is the triangle here? It is towards the leg, right? And the alphabet named here is P, right? So this is the labeled figure. So option D, P is the right answer. It was very simple, right? Shall we move to the next one? So here is your next question. The question says, in which figure is the line P the line of symmetry? And the options given here are option A, option B, option C, And option D. Okay. So you have to identify the line P which is symmetry, which means that out of the given figure, it should be equal. Coming to the first one, N. So if I divide N here, will the above portion and the below portion be the same, children? No, it will not be similar, right? There will be a slight variation in the top and the below portion. Coming to the option B, is this portion and this portion the same? Portion A is equal to B? No. A is greater than B. I'm sorry. B is greater than A, right? Coming to the next one. In this case, in this alphabet U, if we divide, is it equal? A and B? Yes, it is equal, right? Coming to the next one, is this portion and this same? No. Portion A is lesser than portion B. So this is also not symmetry. So in this case, option C is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next question?